Good morning, 7th class. Yesterday we started the unit articles and the use of a and n. Also, we discussed the use of the, and I gave you one exercise also. Day before yesterday also we discussed the same topic, and yesterday I gave you one exercise to fill in the blank with a or n where necessary. So you know very well that we use the article a when the sound of consonant is coming, and we use the article n when the sound of vowel is coming. Just as a young girl, young, y sound is consonant sound, so we will use a there, and an umbrella, we will use n there because the sound of vowel is coming. So as per the rules, we have to see the exercise. It is on your book, it is on your screen. I think you have done it yesterday, so let us tally it. First of all, see the examples are there. I like dash tea. See in the question it is written, fill in the blanks with a or n where necessary. Only we have to fill where a or n necessary. If it is not necessary, then make a cross, or you may write 5 or leave it blank. You may write dash also. So I like tea. Tea is uncountable. We know very well that a or n are used before the singular and countable nouns, but t is uncountable, so we cannot use a or n here. So it is cross or it may be dash. Then second one, he has dash umbrella. Sound of is coming, vowel sound is coming, then it is the answer an umbrella. Then the third one is, she is dash young girl. Young, y sound is coming, then it is a consonant sound and we will use a here. She is a young girl. Now let us start the exercise. It is number 1. He had dash narrow escape. Narrow, no sound is coming, then we use a. She had a narrow escape. Then the cow feeds on dash grass. Grass is uncountable. We will not use any article here out of a or n. So you can use cross or 5 or dash. The third one is, he is lost in reading dash interesting book. Interesting. E sound is coming, small e, then it is n. I don't use eyes. Uncountable, then it is 5, no article. The fox is dash cunning animal. Sound of k is coming, cunning, a cunning animal. This medicine is good for dash sleep. Sleep, uncountable, no article will be here. Now come on the next page. It is 7 number now. See, she first met me dash year ago. Year, the sound is year. Yagya sound, then it is a year ago. We do not pronounce this word year, it is wrong, it is year. Year sound is there, a year ago. This is made of, number 8, this is made of dash glass. Glass is also uncountable, then 5, no article. He stayed at dash inn. In, e, then n. I am interested in dash literature. Literature is also uncountable, no article will be here. His mother is dash university professor. A university professor. University, y sound is coming, though u is the vowel, but the sound is here, yagya, university. So a will be there. Number 12. A shopkeeper doesn't sell an Sorry, a shopkeeper doesn't sell ink. Ink is also uncountable, so no vowel will be here. Dash candle was burning on the table in the room. A candle. We must work for dash peace. Uncountable, no vowel. She married dash Englishman. An Englishman. The blouse is made of dash silk. Uncountable. No vowel consonant will be here then. Dash. Dash empty vessel makes much noise. An empty. A sound is coming. Who doesn't pray for dash happiness? Uncountable. No article. Everybody hates dirt. Dirt is also uncountable. No article. A fish swims in water. Water is uncountable. No article. Dash idle brain is dash devil's workshop. An idle brain is a devil's workshop. We enjoy dash freedom. Uncountable. Then no article. Just dash drop of milk would do. Just a drop of milk. I like dash music. Music is uncountable, then no article. I saw dash airplane. An aeroplane. Vowel sound is there. Is this acid? Uncountable. An evil thought crossed his mind. N. It was an experience of remember. The manager had to face a problem. The greedy man wanted an extra dish. So it was the exercise. One more we will do because we have done the use of the also. So see in this exercise, fill in the blanks with a, an or the, or do not fill an article where it is not necessary. If the article is not necessary, you will not fill any of them a, an or the. So see the first. I said to dash boy, where is your father? So I said to the boy. We are using the because we are very much known to the boy because we are asking about his father. Now second, it is obvious. Second, once there lived a fox and a crane because we are not known to them. In the second line, one day the fox invited the crane to his house. Now we will use the here because we are known to the fox also, known to the crane also. Now third number, I reached there by a plane. He always comes on foot, no article. The elephant is a strong animal. No article. Mumbai is an important city. Mumbai is a proper noun. So before proper noun we will not any article. In the omission of article we have read, if proper abstract or material nouns are there, then we will not use any article there, a and the no. So Mumbai is a proper noun, therefore no article is there. Then in number 6, the first one is dash. Mumbai is an important city. 7 number, the car is a fast means of travel. Number 8, the desks in this room are mostly broken. Number 9, could you tell me the way to the post office? Because the things are known to us. Then number 10, the Ganga is a sacred river. The rich should help the poor. The beauty of the Taj is beyond description. So it is the exercise we have discussed, and I will send you the PDF also. You will match it from that and you will fill in the book. I hope you all have the books, so you can fill in that. Thank you. If you have the book, then read everyone.